Thanks for tuning in to this week's SoCal Multifamily Sales Pulse. The SoCal Multifamily Sales Pulse is a weekly blog post that reviews the past week's multifamily sales, stats, rents, absorption rate, and sale metrics for all 5 Southern California counties plus Long Beach. Make sure you're on my email list so you never miss the report. In this week's What's Happening in the Market, city economists predict 50 basis point rate hike from Fed next month. Where it was originally thought there would be 3 interest rate increases in 2022, city economists now expect the Federal Reserve to make a more aggressive 50 basis point hike in the federal funds target rate in March. The bank made its forecast after January's Consumer Price Index rose by an annualized 7.5%, up from a 7% gain in December. Wall Street economists have been expecting a quarter-point hike for March. As recently as January 28th, Citi called for 25 basis point rate hikes in 2022, starting next month. However, the Fed's funds futures market began pricing in a more likely chance of a half-point rate hike next month after the inflation report and hawkish comments from St. Louis Federal Reserve President James Bullard. Bullard told Bloomberg News he'd like to see a full 100 basis point hike by July. We now expect the Fed to raise rates 50 basis points in March, followed by 4 25 basis point hikes in May, June, September, and December. Let me know in the comments how you think this might affect the SoCal multifamily sales market. And the pulse of the market, the listing inventory continues to creep upward slowly. We're starting to see fewer all-cash sales, but there are still a lot of transactions where the property is selling either at full price or selling over the initial asking price. So demand is still very strong, and listings are being absorbed by investors quickly, with the days on market still occurring between 15 to 45 days. What to expect? Inventory should continue its slow and steady increase over the next couple of months. Buyers should continue to snap up deals quickly, and competitive bidding should keep prices stable and/or increasing slightly. If interest rates increase too fast, we might see some buyers exit the market. As long as rents keep increasing, apartments will remain a solid investment. Alright, that wraps up another week of the SoCal Multifamily Sales Pulse. You can look at all the charts and stats in detail in the full report on my website, MikeLembeck.com. And feel free to give me a call or shoot me an email with any questions on the market, or if you're looking at acquiring more units or selling a property you currently own. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mike's Multifamily Minutes, so you never miss a video. See you next week.